you suffering with diabetes from long time? You might use many medicines and treatments. If you want to cure diabetes by simple and natural ways, then watch this full video. Bitter gourd juice. Do you know how healthy bitter gourd juice is for diabetic people? It is one of the best juices that keeps sugar levels in control. Bitter gourd juice is very low in calories, rich in vitamin C. It also contains vitamin A. Together, all these compounds, bitter gourd keeps blood sugar level in control. Let us start the preparation. For this we need bitter gourd, ginger and lemon. Bitter gourd. It lowers blood pressure and keeps blood sugar levels in control. It is a liver medicine, stimulates digestion of carbohydrates, boosts immunity. Bitter gourd slows down the production of glucose and restricts the growth of pancreatic cancer cells. It removes toxin from the body. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is the powerhouse of vitamin C. It is a great antioxidant. It helps to reduce blood sugar levels in the body. Ginger. Ginger is a great antioxidant. It is a good appetizer. Ginger enhances the taste of the juice. Take a blender jar and place bitter gourd pieces. Add ginger, lemon juice and some water. Then blend well. Filter the mixture into a glass. Now bitter gourd juice is ready. Take this juice twice in a day to decrease blood sugar levels, and it controls sugar level in your body.